Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about a most interesting indicator that will tell you how is the swing trading made easy by using swing trading indicator in TradingView. After using this indicator, you will be amazed to see its results, and this strategy can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. First of all, I will tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you will have the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you want to open your account with them, you will have to find the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have opened 15 minutes chart frame. As you can see, here is the chart frame of gold market in 15 minutes. After that, we have to go into the indicators section and we have to choose which indicator we are using here from the indicator search bar. From here, I will be choosing the new indicator that you have you will find by Jim Flack 603 traders are using this indicator. This is called X lines, and when you will find it, you have to see that here it is making different kinds of levels. As you can see here, we can find the levels in the blue color. As you can see here, it is showing us different levels here and this as well, but it is making its levels according to the market prices. And I will also be telling you that it will also show you the X mark on some of the levels. Afterwards, it will show you the new level that will work as support and resistance level. When we will see this indicator, we see that this indicator works just after the bar is closed at the interesting price, and immediately after that the symbol X, as you can see here, the symbol X will appear above the bar and the level will be drawn to the next bar. Okay, so this is very important for the market process. And when we see that our market is going to the next level, then the prices in the future can be the goal of the trading process and can act as support and resistance. As you can see, it will act as support and this is acting as resistance level. But here I will tell you that how to change few of the adjustment into it. I want to change its color XFAB, that I want, for example, let's say this color is better, yellow color, and I will be changing it. Click OK, and rest of the things I want the same. As you can see here, now we will find this label color X in yellow color, so it will be bit more prominent, as you can see here. Okay, how to enter into the trade? Whenever you will see that you are getting this X level, then afterwards you will always see that a new level is being made by this indicator that will act as a support or resistance level. For example, if the market is going down, then this level will be acting as a resistance level, and if this market is going up, then this level will be acting as a support level. As you are aware of this support and resistance level already, but when you will use this strategy or this indicator, you will be amazed to see that it is more convenient and it is more easier than the other support and resistance levels. And this is used for the swing trading. Whenever we will see that our market has gone below this level and it will go up, for example, then it has to take the trend reversal. For example, it has gone down through this level. By crossing it, then it has to move upwards and it will take the profit. As you can see here, this has taken the profit whenever it will go above this level. But first of all, this indicator has to give you the cross mark that will be appeared in yellow color, as you can see. Okay, afterwards it will go move downwards, and then Again, it has taken the trend reversal, and this level has acted as a support level, but as this market will go down, then it will act as a resistance level. But if it will cross this level, then the market will go into the opposite trend. As you can see here, it has gone above this level, and this all over the time it is taking just the profits in upward direction, and this is the bullish pattern. As you can see now, after this time it has given another cross. That means the market has to take that trend reversal, but after that it has taken another level that will act for the support or resistance level. But as we can see that for some of the time the market has moved into the ranging level. So afterwards this level again acted as a support level, so this market has gone above, and after some time it has gone down. But as you can see here, this is the spike of the market that has been taken by the bearish trend, but after this level it has reversed, but after the support level, which has pumped it up again into the bullish pattern, and you can see now still the market is in the bullish pattern. So it will act as a strong support and resistance level that will be giving us a swing trading that will be easier for our day trading as well. So do use it for your own trading. Do use it for your own trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video if you found any value in this video of mine. So good luck from my side. Take care.